Dear students, today we are going to learn significance of management principles. Significance means importance. Significance is the alternate term of importance. So student, as we have discussed the nature of principles of management in last topic, which says that management principles are applicable everywhere. They are applicable to all types of business organizations. Management principles are the general guidelines for the managers to perform his functions efficiently and effectively. Let's see what are the significance of management principles one by one. Number 1, provides useful insight to managers. The principles of management help the manager to understand the organization. The study of the principles helps to improve the understanding of the situation and problems. It further helps the manager to find out the solutions to the problems and handle situations. The use of these principles is helping managers about the manner in which he should act in different situations. Number 2, helps in efficient utilization of resources. In every organization, two types of resources are used. First one, physical resources such as material, machines, money, etc. And second, human resources such as manpower. The basic function of management is to make proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage of resources. Hence, while utilizing these resources, management always uses techniques and principles. Number 3, scientific decisions. In business organization, a scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision. Principles train the managers to handle critical situations tactfully. Otherwise, the managers have to work always with trial and error method. With the use of various management principles, one can get an idea about how to analyze the situation, to search alternatives, options and their results. Number 4, understanding social responsibility. Management principles are based on every aspect of organization. They are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of organization so that they can focus on providing quality products at reasonable prices, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation in market, fair competition, fair remuneration, change in environment, healthy working place, standard tools and machinery, etc. Next, encourages research and development. As you know that research and development programs are necessary for every business organization for their development and improvement. Principles of management are dynamic. Their nature goes on changing along with the changes in the business world. These principles have developed to suit the current need. It enables the manager to bring consistent improvement in them. These principles helps in developing scientific approach towards research and development and growth and development of organization. Next, helps to coordinate and control. Management principles are the guidelines for better coordination and control. It is very challenging to create coordination and cooperation among different employees working in different departments. It is also a difficult task for manager to keep control on the performance of employees. Management principles offer suitable system while establishing coordination and control. Number 7, develops objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Managers can identify the business opportunities, causes of the problems in correct manner and can provide appropriate solutions on it. It builds confidence in the minds of the managers. So dear students, we have completed the significance of management principles. If you understood the video, then like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.